Hey there, Wall Street winners. It is April 30th, end of obviously the month of April, which means that there can be some volatility on a day like today. What just came out an hour ago, we're just about a minute away from the open, and what came out an hour ago was U.S. labor cost data. So it came in rising by the most in a year, which is a sign of wage pressures. And what that has done is, if we flip over to the Bloomberg app, we'll see that that has caused the futures to drop off significantly. So the Dow Jones is now down 154 points. The S&P, which was down 5, is down almost 17, and the Nasdaq, which I think was down 25 earlier, is now down 68. Don't think this is going to hold for the day, but it definitely is an indication of what's happening at the open. I'd say that if we flip back to the Yahoo app and the finance app, the VIX is popped up a little bit, but it's still at a relatively decent 30-day outlook of 15. It's not in the 18s, which it was a couple weeks ago, as semiconductors started to fall. I think what we're going to see today is obviously stocks opening lower, but a potential for a recovery, particularly in some of the tech names that we follow. So I would keep an eye out for a bit of a dip potentially at open for Amazon, and that could be a very attractive purchase with announcements after market close today. Nvidia might go up a little bit today because we did see the earlier segment today, we did see the NXP semiconductors pop, or was set to pop. It popped post with earnings yesterday, post close, and yes, it is up almost 4%, $10. So another stock announcing today is AMD, which is one that I would look at, especially now that it's dropping there at open. It's popping a little bit. I think that could be a good potential grab for a pop after hours today as well. And then going towards Thursday, we've got Cloudflare announcing net, as well as Apple, obviously the big one. But I think this one has a lot of potential to go a fair bit higher, probably 10 or so dollars on good earnings and good forecasts. Good luck with your